MES Marampally e-learning.
Hi everyone, I am Juveria, Assistant Professor of Fashion Design and Management, MES College Marampally. Today we are going to discuss about pencil holding techniques. There are 4 ways for holding a pencil. First one is cylindrical grasp. Second one, digital grasp or overhand grip. Third one, dynamic tripod grasp or tripod grip. Fourth one, modified tripod grasp or dynamic quadrupod. First we are going to discuss about cylindrical grasp. A cylindrical grasp is one in which the whole hand is in contact with an object and curved with thumb opposition. A common term for this grasp is gross grasp. A cylindrical grasp requires use and strength of the extrinsic muscles and intrinsic muscles of the hand in order to flex the fingers around curved objects. We need to use more pressure while using this type of grasp. So it's better to avoid this technique. Second one is digital grasp or overhand grip. In this technique, your hand should be relaxed with the fingers and thumb lightly holding the pencil. By using this technique, we can cover a wide area. We can draw vertical lines, etc. We use our shoulder to use this technique. But for this technique, we need practice. Next one is tripod grip or dynamic tripod grasp. Holding the pencil with your thumb, index and middle fingers like writing. This grip is more comfortable for using the tip of the pencil. It's not practical to use the side. It's also comfortable to control with your fingers to draw very small precise lines. By using this technique, we can reduce the strain and stress of your fingers. Fourth technique is modified tripod grasp or dynamic quadrupod. For this technique, we are using our first 4 fingers. This technique is not suitable for drawing. It may cause strain for your fingers, so it's better to avoid this technique. Different styles of holding pencil may strain your hand. It may affect the speed, so it's better to use the tripod grip. It is the most commonly used technique that we are using from our childhood. Hope you all got some idea about the pencil holding techniques. Thank you.